Hello and welcome back to another tutorial about Zoom. Today we are going to talk about the audio and share screen features Zoom provides for us. If you want to be able to see more options for your audio, simply click this gear icon found in the home page. This will lead you to the settings window and go to the audio section here. All previous features mentioned are available here, but there are also some other features. Your output volume and input volume for your microphone is adjustable from Zoom. There is also an option here which can automatically adjust your microphone volume. Some other important features are suppressing background noises, and there are many different levels for different situations. If this feature doesn't work, not to worry, as this may only work for version 5.2.0 or higher. You're also able to enable original sound, which is meant for music production. This feature removes noise suppression feature and noise filtration, has a high fidelity music mode which optimizes Zoom audio but can consume a lot of bandwidth, echo cancellation, and lastly, stereo audio. Ringtones can also be changed in this drop-down here. There are other miscellaneous settings such as automatically joining computer audio, mute my mic when joining a meeting, pressing and holding space to temporarily unmute and sync buttons on the headset. Lastly, the advanced tab down here allows you to set your echo cancellation strength. Now, to the share screen settings. Go to the share screen section here. In here, you're able to adjust window size while screen sharing, or enable side-by-side mode, which changes the layout when you are viewing someone else's screen. You're also able to enable silent system notification, which only blocks notifications when sharing full desktop. You're also able to share applications on individual windows or share all windows from the application. There are also features for sharing screen during a meeting. You can either automatically share desktop, which shares your whole screen. Note that if you have multiple desktops, it will only show the primary desktop, and you can still switch to a specific screen in new share after sharing. The other option is to show all sharing options, and this allows you to choose the screen you want to share. If you notice there is an advanced tab down here, when clicked, you'll be redirected to the advanced settings for the share screen. In here, you are able to limit your frames per second, show a green border around the shared content, and use TCP connection for screen sharing. You're also able to use hardware accelerations, which have been discussed in previous videos.